What are you looking for? Education? Placements? Fun? Sports? But first, what is your purpose? At Ebenezer Group of Institutions, our foremost task is to help you find your purpose and your goal. Ebenezer College is located in Bangalore, where people from every ethnicity, culture, language, and walk of life feel welcome. We don't follow the traditional teaching models. Instead, we focus on your holistic development, experiential learning, industry-integrated education, cultural activities, club activities, sports, social work, and much more, guaranteeing you 3 years of fun learning experiences. We believe in giving utmost importance to imparting knowledge to our students, and assure you of placements with extensive training programs designed by industry experts. As a part of our management courses, Ebenezer has initiated an incubation center, where we incubate business ideas. At Ebenezer, we provide vast knowledge and proper training when it comes to planning, executing, supervising, and analyzing a business enterprise via our wide range of management courses. Move the world with Ebenezer add-on programs in logistics and port management. Or if your dream is to fly high, choose the Ebenezer Aviation and Airline Management programs. And if the path you choose is to transform into an IT professional, choose Ebenezer's IT Professional programs. Ebenezer also offers health courses for those wishing to work in the healthcare system, providing them with the necessary theoretical knowledge and practical skills. Choose from the following courses. Whatever route you choose, entrust us with the task to mold you, and we assure you a brighter and successful future ahead.